there.
Okay. So, what my dear brother failed to mention to you people is the fact he made me walk 29 blocks in the hot sand.
I don't recall this.
So easily we forget things.
Yeah.
Look, where my boyfriend does his gaming.
Yeah, Brad loves, this would be all Brad, I thought.
What's this? Oh, remember when we used to have stuff like this?
Yeah.
As kids?
Yeah. I actually have one of the, I have one of the gaming chairs in my room.
Yeah, I know, but it's broken.
Are you sure?
Yes. I sat in it before. It's broken.
I don't know why.
If we get to dining. We have a good dining set, actually. Like, it's pretty big. I think
yeah.
it was Diane's before.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
His stepmom's. And when they moved into the one space, they got a new one.
It's $20. She's adorable.
You got tired of being on camera.
No, I can hold the camera steadier. You're like over here twisting it. You're gonna make people sick.
Okay. Fair enough.
And besides, I'm always on camera when we're together.
That is true. I don't really show my face a lot.
Coming soon, kitchen. Oh, the kitchen department's gone.
Well, we started that in the
True.
beginning of it. I don't care. I like doing camera. I just forgot to.
Wow, only 119 for that, but it doesn't seem like. Oh, it's just the mattress, I think.
Let me see. Let me test it out.
Take your damn shoes. You and your bloody shoes.
What?
I'm just saying. Don't lay on it with your shoes on. Well, I mean, what do you think? What's
That's not
this?
too bad.
Oh wait, that's just the upholstery. It's 119. The bed itself is more, I think.
Probably. I like to stop every once in a while, like, just to save battery.
Mm-hmm.
But you can do what you want. Sorry.
They're good.
We're doing a video.
That's cool. Well,
What's your name? It's on YouTube.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Good. This is Anthony.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Good.
You're you're on the NC Explorer.
NC Explorer.
Yeah, check it out. The NC Explorers.
NC Explorers. Where? Just on YouTube, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah. This, you guys are around here now.
Oh yeah, we are. We live in Beaver Falls right now.
Beaver Falls. Yeah. We're over by like the Elizabeth area, which is like.
Oh,
30 minutes
gotcha.
Away. 30 minutes away. It's not bad. It's a good area. It's the only Ikea though in like
Yeah.
the state.
Yeah.
That's true.
We're just talking because there's one in Philadelphia and there's like one in Washington D.C.
Really? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, really? I did not know that.
That's where I was
interesting.
born.
Washington D.C.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Well, near it. Not
Yeah.
exactly in DC.
It's Silver Springs, Maryland.
Silver Springs,
so
Maryland.
practically.
Silver Springs.
Yeah.
I know where that is. I haven't been there, but I know a little bit of history about it. That's pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna go catch up with my family.
Yeah, you're good. Sorry, we just, yeah.
What was your YouTube channel called again?
The NC Explorers.
I'll show.
And I'll show the beds. See, it seems like a lot of these beds don't have, like, springboards, I think was what I'm looking for, the word.
How's that?
Yeah.
That's cool. Oh, thanks, there. Have a good day.
Yep. I'll put it. We'll put our we always like to post stuff like that. You'll have
Okay, well, we'll catch you in a little bit. And so, yeah. See you in a little bit.